Welcome Blue Star students. Today we are going to see 2 marks. 2 marks in exercise 2.3. It is based on multiplication of fractions. Okay. That is third part. Multiply the following fractions. Multiply the following fractions. Okay, now the question is the first question. 2 by 5 into 5 1 by 4. 2 by 5 into 5 1 by 4. Okay, this is the question. Now write the solution. 2 by 5 into 5 1 by 4. See, now write what we have now. 2 by 5 into 5 1 by 4. See, 2 by 5 into 5 plus 20, 20 plus 1 is 21 by 5 4. Okay, now see 21, 2 into 21, 2 into 21 is 42 divided by 5 4 is 20. Otherwise you will cancel that. How can we cancel that? In two table, numerator denominator, check the numerator denominator. In 2 table 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4. Okay, so no need this. So what is the remaining term we have? 1 into 21, 121 is 21 divided by 5 2s are 10. Okay, இதுக்கு மேலே நம்மளால cancel பண்ண முடியாது. So that 121 is 21 by 5 12 is 10. So 21 divided by 10. So you have to convert this into mixed form because question is in the mixed form. Okay, in 10 table how many times 21? 2 10s are 20. Remainder 1 divided by 10. Okay, 2 1 by 10 is the answer. Okay, next one, question number 3. Question number 3, 3 by 2 into 5 1 by 3. Okay, now the solution is, what first we write what we have, 3 by 2 into 5 1 by 3. In the next step you convert this mixed into improper and write 3 by 2 into 5 3 is 15, 15 plus 1 16 divided by 3. So now cancel that, 1 3 is 3, 1 3 is 3. Now in 2 table 1 2 is 2, 8 2 is 16. So now multiply the numerator values. 1 8 is 8, 8 divided by 1 1s are 1. So 8 divided by 1 is 8 only. Okay, clear students? So இது மேக்ஸிமம் எந்த அளவுக்கு சிம்பிளிஃபிகேஷன் கொடுக்க முடியுமோ அந்த அளவுக்கு நம்ம சிம்பிளிஃபிகேஷன் கொடுக்கணும். ஓகே, திஸ் இஸ் கொஷின் நம்பர் 3. Now next question number 5. 3 2 by 5 into 4 by 7. 3 2 by 5 into 4 by 7. Now see what we have. 3 2 by 5 into 4 by 7 is equal to 3 5 are 15, 15 plus 2 is 17 divided by 5 into 4 by 7. Okay, 17 by 5 into 4 by 7. See here, in the common table so that we multiply the numerator. 17 into 4 divided by 5 into 7. 17 into 4, 17 4s are 28, 68. 68 divided by 5 7s are 35. Okay, so we convert this into mixed form. In 35 table how many times 68? 68 divided by 35. 1 35 is 35. Remainder 3, 3 33. Okay, so 1 33 divided by 35. This is the answer. So mixed form க்கு நம்ம கொண்டுட்டு வந்துட்டோம். So இந்த questions. Okay. Next question number 6. Question number 6, 2 3 by 5, 2 3 by 5 into 3. Okay, this is our question. So same pattern தான் last செஞ்ச மாதிரியே. So in the sum 2 by 5, 2 5 are 10, 10 plus 3 13 by 5 into 3 is equal to, see here there is no denominator, அப்போ 1 என்றது நம்ம சொல்லியிருக்கோம். So now 13 into 3 divided by 5 into 1. 13 3s are 39 divided by 5. So it is an improper fraction. Now in a 5 table, how many times 13 is 7, 5s are 35, remainder 4 divided by 5. So 7, 4 by 5 is the answer. Okay. Next question number 7. 3, 4 by 7 into 3 by 5. Okay. See, 3, 4 by 7 into 3 by 5. Convert this into mixed form, that is 3 7s are 21, 21 plus 4 is 25 divided by 7 into 3 by 5. Okay. Now multiply the in the common in 5 table. 1 5 is 5, 5 5 is 25. Now see the numerator 5 and 3. 5 3 is 5 into 3 divided by 7 into 1. 5 3 is 15 by 7. This is the answer. 15 divided by 7 is the answer. We convert this into mixed form. 1 7 is 7. The remainder is 8 divided by 7. Sorry, 2 7s are 14. No, sorry, very sorry. The answer is 2 7s are 14. Remainder 1 divided by 7 is the answer. So 2 1 by 7 is the answer. See, 3 4 by 7 is the other one. Multiply by 3 7s are 21 plus 4 is 25 by 7 into 3 by 4 potassium. So this cancel panamna 5 3s are 15 divided by 7. For 2 7s are 14, remainder 1 by 7 is the answer. Okay. Now in the next question, there is 3 mark. 3 mark. Question number 4. Which is greater? Which is greater? Second part 1 by 2 of 6 by 7 or 2 by 3 of 3 by 7. See, which is greater? First we find the value of 1 by 2 of 6 by 7. Okay, find the value and then find the next part, find 2 by 3 of 3 by 7. Find that value. Now compare that fraction which is greater அப்படின்றது பார்க்க போறோம். ஓகேவா? So first step, the first part 1 by 2 of 6 by 7 is equal to 1 by 2 into 6 by 7. This off symbol is multiply. Okay. Now 1 6 is 6 divided by 2 7s are 14. Otherwise cancel them. 1 2 is 2, 3 2s are 6. So in the numerator is 1 3 is 3 divided by 1 7 is 7. 3 by 7. Okay. Next 3 by 7. Next one, another part is 2 by 3 of 3 by 7 is equal to 2 by 3 into 3 by 7. Now cancel the numerator, denominator 3 will be cancelled. Now write 2 by 7. So they are asking which is greater. Okay, now write the value 3 by 7. Another one value is 2 by 7. Which is greater now? 3 by 7 is greater than 2 by 7. That is the 3 by 7 is a greater value. So that is 3 by 7. That question is 1 by 2 of 6 by 7 is greater. 1 by 2 of 6 by 7 is greater. Okay, this is your answer. So this is another part. First part is for your homework. Okay, so off கொடுத்தா என்ன செய்யணும் தெரியும், இதோட வேல்யூ செப்பரேட்டாக ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணணும். In this part separately we find the value, then compare that both denominators are same, there is no problem. Suppose if their denominators are different, we will take the LCM and then find which is greater அப்படின்றது வந்து பார்த்துருக்கணும். ஓகேவா? So this is your 3 mark. Next we will see the 5 mark. 5 mark. question is Lipika. Question number 6. Lipika reads a book for 3/4 hours every day. She reads the entire book in 6 days. How many hours in all were required by her to read the book? See, Lipika reads a book for 3/4 hours every day. Okay, she reads the entire book in 6 days complete பண்ணிட்டாங்க. பர் டே வந்து 3/4 hours ரீட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. ஓவராலாக 6 டேஸில் she completed the entire book. How many hours in all were required by her to read the book? ஓகே, அப்போ டோட்டலாக அவங்களுக்கு எவ்வளோ ஹவர்ஸ் தேவைப்பட்டிருக்கும் அந்த புக் ஃபுல்லாகவே வந்து அவங்க ரீட் பண்ணி முடிக்கிறதுக்கு? தட் இஸ் அ கொஷின். ஓகே, டியர் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், ஸோ பர் டே எத்தனை ஹவர்ஸ் அவங்க ரீட் பண்ணாங்க அப்படின்னு கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. டோட்டலாக 6 டேஸில் கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணிட்டாங்க. ஸோ we want to find the total hours. Okay, so what we have to do? We should multiply that, because per day, one day ku evlo hours. So what is in 6 hours, 6 days, 6 into that. So now write time taken by Lipika. Time taken by Lipika to read the book. Per day is equal to 3/4 hours. That is equal to, we convert this into improper. 1 4 is 4, 4 plus 3 is 7. 7/4 hours. Okay, next, number of days. How many days? 6. Okay, 6 days. Therefore, total time taken by her to read the book, entire book, is equal to 7/4 into 6 hours is equal to, see, in 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. Okay, so in the numerator 7 3s are 21 divided by 2 hours. 21 divided by 2 is, we convert that into mixed form. 21 divided by 2, 10 2s are 20, remainder is 1. So 10 1/2 hours. So 10.5 hours she take. Okay, so in per day she take 3/4 hours. Totally she takes completed reading the book is 6 days. So totally entire time taken to read the entire book is 10 1/2 hours. So 10.5 hours total read panni she completed that book. Okay, so this is a 5 mark. Next, one more sum, that also a 5 mark. That is question number 7. A car runs 16 kilometers using 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover using 2 3/4 liters of petrol? Okay, see, a car runs 16 kilometer using 1 liter of petrol. So 16 kilometer the car will travel பண்ண How much distance will it cover using 2 3/4 liters of petrol? So this is also a multiplication problem. Okay, 1 liter of petrol, okay, it covers 16 kilometers சொல்லியிருக்கிறாங்க. So in 2 3/4 liters அப்படின்னும் போது 2 3/4 multiplied by 16. Okay, multiply பண்ணும்போது we get the answer. So now write a car run 1 liter of petrol is equal to எவ்வளோ கொடுத்துருக்காங்க 16 kilometer. Okay, now quantity of petrol நம்மகிட்ட என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்க? For quantity of petrol is 2 3/4 liters. Quantity of petrol is equal to 2 3/4 liters. That is equal to, we convert this mixed form into improper. 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 3 is 11 divided by 4 liter. Okay, so 11/4 liter. Okay, and the distance, what is the distance the car will cover அப்படின்றத நம்ம பார்ப்போம். Okay, now so a car can run for 11/4 liter of petrol. Okay, liters of petrol. 11/4 liters of petrol எவ்வளோ distance அது cover பண்ணுது? So 11/4 into 16. See, cancel this. 1 4 is 4, 4 4 is 16. So 11 into 4 is 44 kilometer. Okay, 1 liter petrol, the car covers 16 kilometer. Up 11/4 liter, we multiply with that. So 11/4 into 16, cancel that in the numerator denominator. 4 times 11 4 is 44 kilometer. So up 11/4 liter of petrol, okay, it covers 44 kilometer. This is the answer. Okay. Okay, now your homework sum. 2 types of homework. So in your homework, in third part, multiply the fractions. If class start பண்ணும்போது நம்ம செஞ்சோம் the same one. Third part, second sum, 6 2/5 into 7/9 on sum. Another one, fourth sum is 5/6 into 2 3/7. Okay, 6 2/5 into 7/9. 6 5s are 30, 30 plus 2 is 32/5 போட்டுக்கிறேன். இங்கே 7/9. ஸோ நியூமரேட்டர் டினாமினேட்டர் செக் பண்ணி கேன்சல் பண்ணிவிட்டு ஃபைனல் ஆன்சர் ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் பண்ணிவிட்டு அதை வந்து சேஞ்ச் பண்ண முடியுமா? இம்ப்ராப்பராக வந்ததுன்னா மிக்சட் ஃபார்முக்கு கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணி ரைட் பண்ணிட்டு. ஓகே, சேம் திங் இதுவும் அதே தான். தென் another knowledge which is greater this model, which is greater. Question number 1, 2/7 of 3/4 or 3/5 of 5/8. Okay, 2/7 of 3/4, otherwise 3/5 of 5/8. இது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நியூமரேட்டர் நம்ம கேன்சல் ஆகணும். in 2 டேபிள் வந்து 2 4 கேன்சல் ஆகும். இப்போ 3/2 இங்கே வந்து 7 வருது. இது கேன்சல் பண்ணி, ஆனால் டினாமினேட்டர் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா both will get different. ஓகேவா? ஸோ இந்த ரெண்டுக்குமே வந்து டினாமினேட்டர்ஸ் வந்து டிஃப்ரெண்ட்டாக தான் வரும். அப்போ அந்த லாஸ்ட் சம் நம்ம கிளாஸ் ஒர்க்கில் ஒர்க் அவுட் பண்ண சம்மில் வந்து சேம் டினாமினேட்டர்ஸ் வந்தது. அப்போ ஈஸிலி வி ஃபைண்ட் அவுட் விச் இஸ் கிரேட்டர்ன்றது. பட் ஹியர் டினாமினேட்டர்ஸ் ஆர் டிஃப்ரெண்ட். ஸோ we take the LCM and find the answer. LCM எடுத்துட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணுறது சேம் டினாமினேட்டராக வந்தாங்க. அதுக்கு அதுக்கப்புறம் செக் பண்ணுங்கள் ஓகேவா. ஸோ these three sums are your homework. You complete your homework sums in your homework note. Okay, thank you students.